This image in my mind and what you're watching now burned into my memory forever. The smells, the stenches. It smelled bad, you know, in Haiti when we were driving through the streets before. In some of the village we had built, let's be honest, there's no sanitary stuff. But when we drove through those streets and saw what we saw, smelled what we smelled, touched what we touched, forever, in a good way, I mean this in a good way, forever scarred into my memory. Now, when you think about putting together a relief effort that I've never done before, I'm not a relief effort guy. I've done a lot of different things, but I'm not a relief effort guy. You've got 11 other lives that you've got 11 other lives that you're responsible for. And I had my doubts. There's not a lot that scares me. I've jumped motorcycles over houses, you name it. I've run these ultra marathons through the desert, 135 miles nonstop. Not a lot scares me. I was very nervous when we were circling the airport to land. Not just for me, but for these 11 guys. And had I known what we were up against as far as the logistics, how prepared we should have been, I don't know if I would have come. Ignorance is bliss in this case, but I'll tell you what. After being shocked by the sensory assault when you land here and seeing the 4 lives that were saved, that have a chance. Hey, listen, that first lady we pulled out, Isabel, she was somebody's mother and probably somebody's grandmother, and ultimately, obviously, was somebody's daughter too. Same with Pierre. You know, he had a family. We drove to the hospital with his cousin in there. So now, knowing we've done all we can do, the search and rescue part is over. It's now turned over to relief, which we'll be very involved with our Caring House Project Foundation. I think everybody on this trip, this life adventure, can go home feeling really good that they impacted 4 lives by what more? By saving those 4 lives and reuniting those families.
To get to Haiti to start.
Well, this right now what it means to me to get to Haiti. This is search and rescue. We're not out passing out, water and food, right? We're pulling people out from the rubble. To sit on the ground here has been extremely frustrating. Now the guys who have been trained to do this, we're going to get in there in plenty of time to rescue a whole bunch of people. That's what it's all about, and that's what I'm pumped. I'm ready to go. We got somebody who's been in there for about 87 hours now, and we're taking him to the hospital. Wherever that is, I don't know. We got the wife here next to me. And,
don't listen to her. Just say we got somebody.
We got somebody. We're heading to the hospital right now.
We're fine. Can they just happen?
I can't move.
Let the family get in.
They're not getting in front here, no. We're going to take one family member. We'll come back and get the rest. I'm just telling you to tell them that.
Where are you going? We don't have enough room for everybody.
How many people you need?
You guys are both the translators. You can't all go with us. So somebody's got to get out that can translate for the group. Let's go.
You jumping or not?
One of you's got to get out.
Who want me to
We
go?
don't need translators. We need to get to the hospital. We know the way.
Close the door.
Listen, Robert.
All right, we're closed in. We're going.
Hold on. Wait. Okay, shut the door. Go.
I stayed with you.
I got a doctor. Go, go, go. Let's go, let's go. Rock. Got it. Café, ce son. Café, son. You know, right?
What's that?
What?
Oh, I'm sorry. You're right there, huh?
Let everybody know that there's an oxygen tank here.
Okay. Good. Let's keep everybody. Why don't we keep everybody?
He's making it so it goes this way a little bit more. So what I did was I cribbed when I got the jack to a certain point and rested the weight on the cribbing, and I moved the jack closer. Yeah. This way we still have more room to get him out and can raise it up higher. What happened was the wedge snapped, so then the jack came loose. So right now he's going in, he's fixing it, he's fresh, so then we can start that process again to get it up.
So the idea is to move the jack closer than it.
We want, the jack as close to his leg as possible. The problem is we need a smaller jack.
This is the smaller.
We want a smaller one. Our jack's too big, we can't get it that close. So that's why
How big is that?
the jack we have is maybe about this big to start. You're not going to get much smaller. That's why as we lift, we're cribbing, sliding the jack down, lift, crib, slide.
There's a team out there that has airbags, hydraulics.
I don't
know if anybody has it or not. I don't know if any of the teams.
That would be 5 hours ago.
I know.
Yeah.
But I mean, I don't know if like Miami or any of those guys carry that type of
What
stuff.
use our team, do you know what?
Tell us.
Okay.
Yeah, he wants
Yeah.
us to say that.
Come on.
Ed,
What?
Okay, silencio!
Come on. Come on, my friend.
come on. Come on.
Come on. Come on.
Dile que siga, que continúen,
Yeah.
continúen.
Okay, come on. Monsieur. Allez. Allez.
It's trying to be encouraging.
Vous pouvez venir.
Come on,
Oui,
come on.
vous pouvez venir.
Bien, bien.
Allez, allez-y, allez-y. Allez-y. Una tabla. Come on, my friend. Yes.
Yeah.
No, we're okay. There's no room.
You want that? You want that
Almost out
skivvy
of
board?
space.
You want that skivvy board, Ed, or no?
No, he's out.
All right.
He's
He's
out.
got it. He's got it.
He's out.
Ha sacado ya la cintura, ¿eh?
What's that?
Come.
I got some ground here.
Good.
Be careful with this.
Yes.
A ver si podemos traer la camilla aquí.
All right, somebody right here. Who's here?
Dime.
All right, look. Control this tube so he don't pull it. Don't let him pull this out of his chest.
Okay.
Okay? I'm coming out. He's coming behind me.
Una persona aquí arriba.
Watch this bar, Eddie. Watch this bar
I
right in your
got an
back.
aluminum thing in my way.
You got aluminum right here. I got it.
Okay, man. All right. Okay, he's coming.